What is up? Today I'm going to be showing you a review on Nerf guns. And today is going to be the Surge Fire, and I already forgot the name of this one. So first off, we're going to go with this one. The Surge Fire. Pretty cool to use, depending on how. Reminds me of something out of Team Fortress. If you ever played that game. That was like a cool scope too, that you can look through. Yeah, pretty cool. I bought this right when it came out. So, pretty cool. I gotta mention that it does not have a stock and that people are lacking the stocks now and the tactical things. This one is called the Rival gun. It's in the Rival line. Oh, here it is. The xv11 3000 has a louder noise. Listen. You hear that? So all these Nerf guns are unique. I usually like these pump action ones. See? I guess you can say, because these are the two smallest Nerf guns I have. Like my Retaliator, I think is bigger than this. Not including the stock. Yeah, they're cool guns. I'll see you guys next time then. So, yeah. Bye.